And here we are. Samir just cleared PMP with above target just 2 minutes ago. He did exam in home, and his journey was, especially in the end, was very interesting. What happened in the end? His computer got stuck. He got the message that he has cleared, but he got stuck. So it was a very tense situation for him to understand, because once you have done all the preparation, you have done 200 questions, and you get some tense situation there, then that is the real test of a project manager. And he handled it in the best possible way. And he's a certified project manager, and in even in the last over, he proved that he deserved every bit of a certified project manager, and he got above target. So Samir, first of all, congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, tell us about the exam straightforward. Was the exam difficult or comparatively easy?
Well, actually, it was a little bit difficult for me because whatever I have gone through the prep cast, all those kind of exams, what I have given, it is a little bit difficult. I felt because
Why? Why difficult? How, like, what was the difficulty level which help you? Like, I would like to break it down. The agile questions were more. What was the difficult?
no, if you think the concept, what are the coming, it is fine actually. What in the sense, like we have many like the change request questions and stakeholder communication, all those things were there. The the difficulty is not in the is in the length of the questions. All questions were, I was reading 4 5 lines
All questions were 4 5 lines. Okay.
mostly. Like on average, if you say it, like 3 lines are there, 3 to 4 lines on an average. Every question is coming that way, and that is and options also more than a line, like one line, one full line, not like simple options. Options also we need to read a length of one full length. So that has made actually difficulty in time consumption. Actually, that's what I understand. It's not
Okay.
about the concept, it's about the time reading and reading time which is
Okay.
taking the exam
Okay.
a little bit, because
Okay.
I was working for last minute also, so that means it was, the reading time was more. That's what
And
I mean.
and Samir English, as you can see, guys, his English is pretty good. Okay. And if he's having difficulty, this means the number of questions are long. Okay, Samir, how many agile questions are there?
First, I will tell you the first question of mine is is a bouncer for me. Actually, I did not expect. See, I was expecting the questions related to the schedule network diagrams or all the stuff. It will come, but I did not expect the first question is that.
Sometimes you see, sometime when you are playing, it is possible that a Shoaib Akhtar is bowling there, and you get a bouncer on your face. So things happen. Things happen, but
And the more surprise for me is I have got 3 4 schedule network diagrams. That's
it's
I
okay.
never heard from
It's
anybody's
okay.
lesson learned. I never heard.
3 4 schedule diagram is okay. Like, you can mark those questions and you can solve them at the end. The most problematic thing is agile. How about agile? How many questions about that?
Agile, I have got some 15 to 20 questions only.
That is also okay. Just with this interview, I want to tell everyone that in PMP exam, there are 25 unmarked questions, 25 test questions, which PMI sends to test for the next test. So it makes sense, like 25 questions of agile must be there. And there is possibility. I'm not sure. I'm not making questions. I have never seen, apart from my exam, which I did long time ago. I haven't seen anyone else question. But what my assumption is this, and this is my assumption, that those questions can be of the test questions. And it makes sense to check the agile and hybrid question as a test question, so that when they actually run from 2nd of January, they already have some test question, because thousands of students are giving the exam. And if they run 25 questions of agile on each student, they will have 25,000 questions in their bank. And as I know, PMI have a big question bank, right, Samir?
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
How many questions regarding change request, communication, and
The
stakeholders?
change request communication, you can say like 60 to 70 questions together.
Mhm.
Like communication, most about communication, stakeholder, and this what is that?
change request.
the change request. Yes, all these things were majorly coming.
So what
And
we did,
apart from
what
that,
what we did yesterday, you remember? Communication, stakeholders,
yeah,
change
that was
request.
very helpful actually. Yeah,
That was very helpful. Thank you, thank you. That is
yeah,
important thing. So you believe every student who has an exam on next day, they should do communication, stakeholders, and
100%. They should focus more on change request and this communication stakeholder. This is
okay,
very important to
okay,
practice and get into this how the situational questions will come in that part of
okay,
PMBOK. So we have to make
okay.
sure that.
Samir, let's put me in this way. Only the thing that you did yesterday, communication from prepcast, you also had prepcast, we had the option to select 100 questions. If a person does 100 questions of risk, 100 communication, 100 stakeholder, and then the chain request question which I forwarded you, agile question, can they clear the exam?
Yeah, that is the most part actually. That was the most part.
So
That is the
they
most part.
can clear the exam if they do that.
Yeah,
Yes, that's a
with this this schedule perform index and all that kind of
that
this
that
kind.
they that is an important thing to know. SPI, when it is greater, I'm not saying that
Mm,
they should shut the book and just do
mm,
that. What I mean is
yeah,
on the last day they should
mm,
do this.
correct,
Okay, okay,
100%. Yes.
that's what, because tomorrow like 6 or 7 students have test, so I am changing the methodology, how I can modify the methodology to best fit to their needs. Okay, that's being done. Anything else you would like to suggest to your to PMP aspirants who are going to give exam in last three
This
to four
like
days?
what I followed is then is more mocks so
More
that
marks.
more
So
mocks. Yeah,
you enroll in 7 days program. Are you happy
yeah,
that you enrolled in the
yeah,
seven
yeah.
days?
Because
Not
I have done how many 10 more than 10 mocks actually in a
in
period of 20 days
s-
or something like.
yeah.
So
So
that was very helpful
mm,
actually because if you're doing that too many mocks like that, then you when you get to the exam, you know how to manage your time properly, and then
sure, sure, sure.
you know all the things which are coming your
That
way.
is a very important thing, and the most important thing was, let me put it to everyone. Apart from my coaching method, apart from my journeys, apart from all the tools, techniques, strategies that I give, the most important thing is hard work, hard work, hard work. A disciplined hard work can lead to you to success. And Mr. Samir here is a great example of that. He went to job. After a job, I told him, you need to do this 200 questions. He never said that I don't have time. He has a family with him. He is living outside of the country. He has a full-time job. But after the job, he did 200 questions. And if I asked him that you have to do 200 more, he did that. He did that. And that is my job as a coach, to push you further to next extent, to give you the best strategy. But at the end of the day, it's you who have to do the push-ups. And congratulations, Samir, you did the push-up.
Thank you so much,
And
sir. Thank you so much for your actually the guidance and support which you have given, and you have made me do the work which is required actually. That is,
and and now you
thank you.
are, you welcome to the wall of champion. You're a certified PMP.
Thank
Samir,
you, sir. Thank you.
now relax, have a, like,
Yeah,
today is the first working day, maybe now go, you have taken a day off from your job, now go with the family, have some good dinner, and
yeah, that's what.
yeah, that is a must. Like,
Yeah.
even in the closing we read it, once the project is closed, a team must celebrate. If we don't celebrate our successes, then there is nothing
Mm,
in the life. So
yeah.
best of luck for future endeavors, and thank you. It
Thank
has
you, sir.
been privilege to serve you. I really loved it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so, thank
Thank
you.
you, sir. Thank you.
Okay.